Most addiction treatment software is designed and priced for the biggest players, leaving small operators without the tools they need. Behave Health is now offering its Lite account to addiction treatment providers at no cost. An all-in-one software solution for the addiction treatment community. And the Lite account is yours to try, with no strings attached. No credit card required, no sneaky trial periods, and no subscription to cancel. So what exactly is the Lite account? It is a free account, not a free trial, so you take as much time as you want to decide if it is right for your organization. You explore Behave Health's features from the comfort of your own phone or computer, with zero pressure. And it is free for up to 10 clients, so a very small center may find the Lite account is all it needs. Here is the problem Behave Health set out to solve. Some competitors design and price their tools with only the biggest players in mind, leaving small operators behind. But addiction is a community issue that needs a community solution. The big players and the small operators, working together. That is why Behave Health is designed to support centers of every size. You pay for what you use, according to the scale of your business, and no more. And the free Lite account is not a useless toy. It comes packed with features you would not expect from a free tool. Your Lite account gets you started with everything you need to manage your addiction treatment center the smart way. Let us walk through the 3 areas it covers. First, the tools to run day-to-day operations. Admissions tracking to follow every intake. Bed management tools to see availability at a glance. And a property management suite for your locations. Second, the tools to manage your people. A client database to keep records organized. An employee management database for your staff. And permissions so the right people see the right data. Third, the apps that put Behave Health in everyone's hands. A staff web app for the desktop. iOS and Android apps for your staff in the field. An iOS and Android app for clients, plus consumer RCM, all in the free tier. And the Lite account grows easily alongside your business. Add as many clients, staff members, or locations as you need. Behave Health is built to scale. Sober living homes, detox centers, recovery coaching programs, or private practice clinics. Run several different levels of care under one roof across multiple locations. And whatever your situation, there is a plan built for it. Micro plans for small centers on a budget, volume discounts for national operators, and special pricing for nonprofits. And if you only need sober living management, support facility plans cover everything to run your homes. Stop getting priced out of the tools you need, claim your free Lite account, or see the full platform in action. See Behave Health, built for a center your size. Book a 20-minute demo at behavehealth.com.